Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Create. Today will be all about a Ferrero Rocher Christmas, so let's get started. To make this Ferrero Rocher Christmas wreath you will need some ribbon, a wreath or some sort of round shape, a silicone mat, and of course some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. First I'll be tying the ribbon to the wreath. This is what you'll be using to hang it up. Now it's time to glue it together using the glue gun. I'll glue down the first 6 and then place down the rest of the Ferrero Rocher chocolates to see if they all fit. Now I know that they fit, I start to glue them all down. I'm placing the second row of Ferrero Rochers to see if they fit before I glue them down again. Now it's time to make the bow. And here's your Ferrero Rocher Christmas wreath. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, or should I say give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye!